The secret of your future is hidden in your routine. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ankit. Again, I am here. We all are in Unlock One, and I hope you all are taking precautions while going out, while going to your offices. Because always remember, health is wealth. We all need to fight against this corona disease, COVID 19. So, coming back to our topic, so today's topic is follow a routine. What does this routine means? It is a habit or a sequence to do a thing on a regular basis without any break, without any disturbance. If we do something regularly without any break, it will become habit and our habit became routines. Why these routines vital for us? Routine is one thing you must have in your life, you must develop in your life, because developing a routine will help you to control in your things. It will help you to control your life. It will make a room for all those things which are important to you. It helps you to reduce stress level. It helps you to increase mental health. But now the question arises, how do you follow your routine strictly? So there are few ways by which you can follow your routine strictly. First, know why you don't follow your routine previously. You know what are the root causes that why don't you follow your routine previously, because if you know the root cause, then only you can able to take the action against them. Then only you are able to solve those things. So always find the root cause of the problem and then react. Second, always cultivate those habits which reinforce each other. It means there are few stronger habits which connect each other than others. So always try to cultivate those habits which reinforce each other. Plan your schedule. Yes, plan your schedule. Before going to bed, always write a diary for your tomorrow, that what you are going to do tomorrow, so that you can plan your each and every work at time. Stay ahead of your routine. If you stay ahead of your routine, it will motivate you. Let's suppose you are waking up at 5 a.m. It means you already ahead of those who are going to wake up at 8 a.m. So you have the much more time than them to complete your work, to enjoy the life, to live the life. Track your habit. It is always important to track your progress. No matter what work you do, always track your progress, because if you don't track anything, if you don't track your progress, it means you are lacking something. It means you don't know where are you wrong. But once you are start tracking your habit, then you are able to know where I am wrong, where I am not wrong, where I need to improve myself, or where I need to do more efforts. Engagement is needed. Engage the people. There are two type of engagement. First is active engagement, second is passive engagement. Active engagement are those in which you yourself tell your friends that what is your routine, and might be they are interested with you to cultivate those habits or your routine as well. And second is passive engagement, where let the people know that what your routine is and they morally support you from the outside. Routine is really very important in our life, because without routine we are wasting our valuable time. If we have a routine, then we can enjoy every hour of our life. We can do every single work without wasting a single second of our life. So always have an routine for you in your life. If you want to reduce your belly, then you must to do exercise. If you always look that you need to improve your communication skill, then you need to keep practicing on that. It means you have to make a routine of that for practicing more and more and more. In the same way, if you really want to be successful in your life, you must have to develop a routine, develop a healthy routine, I mean to say. Don't develop a routine which is bad for you. Wake up early in the morning, take breakfast, do your work, take lunch, do your tea time. These are the good habits, these are the good routine. So at last I just want to say, always develop a good routine, because good routine is the base for your future. If you do things correctly daily, then it will help you to build up a empire for you, build up a good life for you. Because when you do good things, small, then at one day they will give you back in much more thing. It will integrate their self. If you do thing regularly, then it will one time they will integrate, and they will become very large, and people will appreciate you, that your routine, just because of your routine you can achieve that success in your life. So always try to follow the routine and be focused about your routine. Thank you.